Are you struggling to get your e-commerce store to rake in those sales? Well, today's your lucky day because I'm about to drop 16 insane email marketing hacks that'll blow your e-commerce brand up like boom. Buckle up because we're about to unleash some explosive growth with these game-changing strategies. If you're growing an e-commerce brand, you know it's really tough out there. With all the competition and ever-changing trends, it's like trying to keep up with the Kardashians. But don't worry, I've got your back. Email marketing is about to be your new BFF, boosting sales and cranking up that customer engagement to the max. Let's dive into the world of e-commerce marketing and how it can supercharge your e-commerce growth. Email campaigns are like those VIP invites. They get you right into your customers' inboxes, making everything personal and driving conversions like a boss. But before we jump into all of these email marketing hacks, you need to make sure that you're equipped with these 3 essentials. First, you need a killer email CRM, which is a customer relationship management platform. My preference is Klaviyo. It is like the Cadillac for all e-commerce brands. You can click below to get started on Klaviyo completely for free. Number 2, you need a rock solid customer email list. Now, if you're struggling to grow your email list, you can check out some other videos I have on how to do some really killer email marketing and lead generation for your brand. And finally, you need engaging on fire content to really light up your customers and get them interested in your email so they can't resist to click. Oh, by the way, did I mention we're a Klaviyo Gold Master partner? We've generated over 8 figures in email marketing revenue for our e-commerce clients, and we've grown email lists to over 350,000 subscribers. Got all that? Sweet, let's do this. Here's 16 foundational email marketing hacks. Number 1, segment your email list. Listen, one size fits all is so last season. Segment your email list based on customer behavior, preferences, purchase history, location. It's like a mixtape made just for them. More personalized emails mean higher open and conversion rates. For example, customers who always buy skincare products should get skincare deals. MailChimp found that segmented campaigns get 23% higher open rates and 49% higher click-through rates. Boom. And I can personally tell you from generating millions in email marketing revenue for our clients, the clients that make more money have more segmentation with their email list. Hack number 2, personalize your campaigns. Personalization isn't just about slapping their name on the email. Dig deeper, reflect their interests and past buys. This creates mega engagement and loyalty. Like, for example, recommending products that they looked at or that they previously purchased and what might be a really good complementary product to that or an upsell. Epsilon says personalized emails bring in 6 times more transactions. So use dynamic content to keep things fresh and relevant. Personalization is key to making your customers feel valued, which in turn boosts their loyalty to your brand. Hack number 3, use email automation. Automation is your new BFF. It saves you time and keeps communication consistent. Set up workflows to welcome emails, abandon carts, post-purchase thank yous. This is what's going to let you sleep in when you don't want to have to wake up and do the work and still make money. Automated emails make 320% more dough than non-automated ones. Leverage Klaviyo's awesome automation tools to create slick workflows that turn leads into superfans. By automating these processes, you ensure that no customer is left behind and you maintain a constant presence in their inboxes, reminding them of your awesome brand. Hack number 4, craft compelling subject lines. Your subject line is your first impression, so make it count. A/B test your subject lines to find the ones that get more opens, clicks, and ultimately sales. You can do this very easily with Klaviyo. Emojis, numbers, urgency, throw it all in. Convince and Convert says 35% of email recipients open emails based on the subject lines alone. So mix it up and see what sticks. Experiment with different styles and tones to find what resonates best with your audience. Remember, a catchy subject line can be the difference between your email being opened or sent straight to trash. And if we want to make money from our emails, we need our customers to actually open them. Hack number 5, include clear call to action buttons. Every email needs a clear bomb CTA, whether it's shop now, read more, follow us, just make it stand out. Use bright buttons, enticing text, just don't be shy. Data shows emails with a single call to action can increase clicks by 371%. Keep it simple and powerful. A strong CTA guides your customers to take the desired action, which is essential for driving conversions. Don't try to put a bunch of text into your email where someone isn't able to find the call to action button. And let's say, for example, you're selling a higher ticket item and it requires more text in the email itself. Don't forget to put call to action buttons throughout the email, but more than anything, remember the whole point of the email is to get them to click over to the website so they can convert. So teasing someone in the email and getting them to a landing page that might have longer information on it is always a good strategy. Hack number 6, optimize for mobile. Everyone's on their phones 24/7, so your emails better be mobile friendly. Use responsive design, short and snappy content, and visuals that pop on the small screen. Mobile email opens make up 46% of all email opens. Don't miss out on this massive audience. So make sure your images load quickly and your text is easy to read on a mobile device. A seamless mobile experience can significantly improve your engagement rates. And most email CRMs have the ability to look at your email in both desktop view and mobile view. And email CRMs like Klaviyo will take it one step further, where you can actually change the design based on whether someone is looking at your email on desktop or mobile. So take advantage of those capabilities. Hack number 7, it sounds so simple. Send more emails. Yes, you heard me. Send more emails. I cannot stress this enough. Consistent communication keeps your brand top of mind. Just make sure your content is lit and valuable so you don't become a spammy buzzkill. Data shows businesses that send more emails see higher sales. Frequency can lead to familiarity, which can boost customers' trust and loyalty. Monitor your email metrics to find the perfect balance between sending enough emails to stay relevant and not overwhelming your subscribers. I always like to stick to the rule of 8 emails per month or 2 emails per week at a bare minimum for e-commerce brands that have a lot of products to offer. Hack number 8, test different offers. Not all offers are created equal. A/B test different promotions to see what your peeps dig. Discounts, free shipping, BOGOs, just find the sweet spot. Stats show that A/B testing can increase your conversion rates by up to 49%. Mix it up and see what resonates best with your audience. By testing different offers, you can determine which ones are the most effective in driving sales and engagement. And then you can tailor your future campaigns based on those insights to maximize your results. Hack number 9, craft offers that lead to higher average order values. Think bigger. Create offers that encourage higher spending. Bundle products, offer tier discounts, or suggest add-ons. Research shows that upselling can boost sales by 10 to 30%. For example, offer a discount on a complimentary product when customers add a high-value item to their cart. This strategy not only increases your revenue, but also enhances the shopping experience by providing added value to your customers. Check out my links below and you can learn about the #1 conversion tool we use to upsell and cross-sell for our clients. It also sets up landing pages for them, pop-ups, and so much more. Hack number 10, push out content commerce. Promote your blogs in your emails. If you sell cooking ingredients and have a food blog, whip up a recipe using your products and shout it out in your email. Then link back to that blog in your email. It's content marketing goals. And at the same time, if you really want it to go viral, post on social media at the same time that you send your email and put the links in your stories. HubSpot found that companies who blog get 55% more website visitors. Content commerce integrates your products into valuable content. This approach builds trust and credibility with your audience, encouraging them to make the purchase. Hack number 12, leverage user-generated content, also known as UGC. Show off your customers' photos, reviews, and testimonials. It's like social proof on steroids. People trust other people more than brands. Stackla found that 79% of people say UGC highly impacts their purchasing decisions. Encourage your customers to share their experiences with your products and showcase this content in your campaigns to build trust and authenticity. Hack number 13, highlight scarcity and urgency. FOMO is real. Create urgency with limited time offers and countdown timers. Highlight low stock levels to get those impulse buys. Urgency can increase conversion rates by up to 332%. Make them feel like they'll miss out if they don't act right now. Use phrases like only a few left or offer ends soon to create a sense of urgency. And I see a big mistake with a lot of small business owners' emails that they do not put the expiration day and time on an email offer, which is so necessary for a subscriber to know to kind of get them to take action. This strategy can drive immediate action and increase sales by tapping into the fear of missing out. Hack number 14, re-engage inactive subscribers. Don't let your inactive subs ghost you. Win them back with special offers, updates on new products, or a simple "we miss you" email. Re-engagement campaigns can bring back up to 45% of dormant subscribers, but only if you make it something really juicy and really good. Use personalized messages to show that you value their presence and want them back. Offering a special discount or exclusive content can entice them to re-engage with your brand. And one of my favorite hacks is to run giveaways on social and include those inactive subscribers in the email announcing the giveaway, then taking them to the social media link for the post, which will get the post to be more viral on social media and will again re-engage them back into our engaged email audience. Hack number 15, analyze and optimize your performance. So you need to keep an eye on your email metrics, open rates, click-through rates, conversions, just track it all. Use these insights to tweak and optimize your strategy. Data-driven decisions lead to better results. Brands that use data to drive marketing are 6 times more likely to be profitable year over year. Regularly reviewing your performance metrics allows you to identify areas for improvement and make informed adjustments to your campaigns and your overall email marketing strategy. So use this data to refine your strategies and continuously enhance your email marketing efforts. Hack number 16, stay compliant and respectful. Play by the rules. Stick to email marketing regulations like GDPR and canned spam. Make it easy to opt out and respect your subscribers' preferences. Building trust and a positive brand image is really everything. Happy subscribers are loyal customers. Compliance not only protects you from legal issues, but also shows your customers that you respect their privacy and preferences. Maintaining a positive relationship with your subscribers is crucial for long-term success. So these hacks aren't just theory, they're proven strategies that actually work. And if you want access to some of the tools that we use every day in our Klaviyo agency, you can click the links below to get free email access and some conversion tools that we use to generate millions for our clients. I encourage you to implement these high-level e-marketing strategies for your e-commerce brand. There's nowhere to go but up with these. And if you liked this video, make sure to thumbs up it. If you want more strategies, watch the other videos and go ahead and subscribe and turn notifications on. And of course, if you have any questions, you can put them in the comments and I'm always happy to answer them. Thanks for watching. And until next time, happy selling.